Um, Dang. So, yeah, this is going to be a problem. Welcome back, YouTubers, gamers, and everyone else. Hopefully everyone is enjoying their holiday season. So today, let's talk about the big and annoying issues Fallout 4 Next Gen update brought, and that's the Facegen stuttering freezes. And let's look at how to remove or take care of these issues. And the Next Gen update changed how dynamic Facegen works in the game engine, and this leads to custom followers and any NPCs edited by or added by mods to cause a severe and very noticeable stuttering when you're trying to play the game, and it honestly makes the game unplayable. So in this video, I want to take a look at how we can play Fallout 4 and not have to deal with any of this, but the honest answer is, you can't, because you're going to have to actually deal with it. It can be fixed and it can be easily taken care of, but either choice you make, doing so will require adding in a few fixes or tweaks to make everything work. And the first choice you're going to have to make is what version you want to play on. One easy way to avoid this Facegen stuttering issue is to simply downgrade to the version prior to its release, that being version 1.10.163. And to do this, you can use the depot files, which are located on Steam, and this is easily done. In fact, I have a video for that if you want to check it out, or you can just head over to Nexus and download the simple Fallout 4 Downgrader mod. But do be advised that if you choose to downgrade and just avoid this Facegen stuttering issue altogether, you're going to run into another issue if you plan on modding Fallout 4. Because the Next Gen update also introduced an updated archive loading code to the game's engine, this means that all new Fallout 4 mods will be created with this new archive coding and are not going to be compatible with your version of the game. Thankfully, there is a mod out there, and you can go ahead and download that, and that is the Backported Archive 2 support system. This will make most new mods compatible with the pre-Next Gen version of the game. Just make sure going forward that you're always double and triple checking each and every mod and make sure that you're installing the one for your version of the game. But instead of downgrading, let's look at the most current version of the game, and that's version 1.10.980. At least at the time of recording this video, and that's the Fallout 4 Next Gen update. And what do we have to do to remove the stuttering? The answer is to install a mod called XL, but this can and will lead to NPCs which are added by mods to have missing heads. But all of this can be taken care of with 3 pretty easy steps. And the first of these is going to be installing XL. This is going to make fixes to a few issues with bugs and some of the game's optimization, and for us the most important thing is it's going to eliminate the game freezes and stutters which were caused by these Facegen changes. Once you've installed XL, if you happen to use Buffout 4 or Buffout 4 New Gen, which you should be, you need to locate your Fallout 4 game folder, and once there, go to the following folder path, which is going to be Data, F4SC, Plugins, and find and open the buffout4.toml with Notepad or something similar, and we want to make sure that the following values are set correctly. Under patches, you're going to look for BS texture stream local heat, make sure that equals false, Havoc memory system equals false, memory manager equals false, scale form AI locator equals false, and small block AI locator as well needs to equal false. And all of this, as well as links to all the mods, will be located down below in the first comment as well as in the description. Now on the mods page, there are another 4 mods listed there because they do some of the same things that are similar to XL. That's going to be like the Baka Scrap Heap Script Memory Limit Expander, the Fallout 4 Priority Next Gen, Disk Cache Enabler, and Private Profile Filter F4. All of these are going to need some things disabled, that way they don't conflict with each other. Some of them you may not even need anymore. Now with XL installed, the stutter Facegen issue for Fallout 4 Next Gen is fixed, and now we will have missing heads for modded NPCs that are unable to generate their face models. So there are 2 steps to quickly correct this issue. And first we're going to head over to a mod which is called the Vault-Tec Enhanced Facegen System, also known as VEFS by WC. And this tool will automatically create Facegen for your entire mod list. VEFS automates the process of generating Facegen and makes it a very simple process. you have the option of using this tool and then going into the creation kit to generate Facegen for your mods that are going to need it, or you can use the quick face fix option that will flag NPCs lacking the Facegen files, and you'll still benefit from any of the Facegen files that you've already or are going to install. And I'm planning to make a full video to look at how we go about using this tool along with the creation kit to do this all on your own, but for this video here, I'm just going to use the quick fix option. Be sure that you install this into its own folder. Don't put it in your mod managers folder. Don't put it in your program files. Don't put it inside of your Steam or GOG or inside of your Skyrim folder. Just put it anywhere else. Put it on your computer somewhere. Then go ahead, go in and launch the tool using the Facegen generator.bat file. And once that's open, you can look here and see the Steam app ID. Make sure that's set to 1946160, and then you're basically just going to follow along with the instructions. Again, for this video, I'm going to use the quick face fix option, let it run, and then that's pretty much it. Make sure you go over to the page, make sure you read through everything. There's a lot of things that this does. This is a very new mod, but this is taking care of, again, one of the big issues that the next gen update had. And after doing that, what we need to do is we need to add Facegen for any other modded NPCs that are missing their heads. And we're going to do this by starting out at the Wasteland Wonderglue mod. This mod offers a collection of Facegen packs for over 59 of the most popular mods that you're going to find on Nexus, so chances are you're going to find what you need here. If the mod you're looking for isn't found here, then what I would recommend doing is first looking in the comments section over on Wonderglue, because if it is a popular mod, someone's probably already asking about it, so you may get some references or links there to help you out. And your other option is just to simply look for it here over on the Nexus. Very easy to do. In the search box, type in the mod you're looking for. You're going to hit enter. Gonna go over here, you're gonna sort by trending. Most of the relevant mods to Facegen are gonna be near the top, close to where the actual mod is gonna be located at. And for an example, mods like the Fens Sheriff Department can be found with a quick search. I typed Fens into the search, I hit enter, I sorted by trending, and what I needed is right here, the 4EST GIMP random FSD patch page. There, I jumped over to the download section, scrolled down, and found what I needed, and that was the FSD Facegen file. Add that in just as I would any of the other files that I found at the Wasteland Wonderglue mod page. And once I go back in game, all my modded NPCs and NPCs added from quest mods all have a head, and having a head is a pretty good thing. So again, start with the Wonderglue, and if it's not there, just do a little bit of searching on your own. I've been able to find the needed Facegen files for every mod that I had missing heads for, so hopefully this helps a few of you out, gets you started in the right direction, and gets your modded NPCs away from the horrible stuttering issues, and they get to keep their heads in the process. So for now, Commonwealthers, take care, be safe, and I will see you in the next video.